Hi, in this video we're going to be showing you how to assemble this bookshelf.
Piece features Walker Edison's new easy assembly technology, which means no tools required, just twist on the legs, taking 10 minutes or less to build.
So let's get into it. To start, we'll take our 4 feet, which are the pieces that look like this. And then we'll take our first shelf, lay it on its side, and stick these bolts through the bottom. And then we can scoot this over and take 4 of our legs. And we'll screw these on. Don't tighten these all the way until we get the next shelf on, just in case we need to wiggle them around a little bit. And then we'll take our next shelf and line up our holes with the next row of bolts. Once that's on, you can tighten these the rest of the way. And then we'll attach our next 4 set of legs. And we'll repeat this process until we get to our top shelf. And once we have our top shelf on, we'll take our top pegs and we'll screw these onto each bolt. Okay, once you have those on, just make sure all of your legs are tightened completely, and then you're all done. We hope this video was helpful for you in assembling your new bookshelf. For more guides, tips, and tricks, head on over to walkeredison.com.